So if you have tight hamstrings and tight calves, this next mobilization is to kind of break that tissue up. So what Caitlin's going to do is she's going to take a lacrosse ball, lift up that leg, stick it right there, and she can either just use the weight of her leg or she can put pressure over with both of her hands. And what she's going to do is she's going to extend her knee and roll that foot out. And so what she's doing is she's lengthening and shortening the muscle over it. She's not rolling around on the ball. This is good for after a workout, kind of break stuff up, get things moving. You can use different devices. These are AccuMobility balls. There's a level 1, level 2, soft, not so soft. The lacrosse ball is pretty firm and unyielding, so it's really going to break up that tissue. So this is going to be a little bit uncomfortable. For the tight calf, what we'll do is we'll have her swing her legs over here, have them stick off just a little bit. You want your foot to clear the table. Again, lift up the leg, place that right there, and she's just going to move the ankle around and lengthen and shorten that muscle over that point of contact. After a few seconds, we're going to move it down. Each body part only takes 2 to 3 minutes. So 2 to 3 minutes for the calf, 2 to 3 minutes for each thigh, like that. If she needs more pressure, she just crosses that leg over, a little bit more weight. But again, she's fully moving that ankle, feeling those muscles completely lengthen and shorten over that point of contact.